particularly in southern parts of Indiana. There's a low here that's now beginning to weaken a bit. We expect another low to develop and take over closer to the coast. And so we are now seeing moderate snow in northern Indiana, in Goshen, and also in Muncie, but it really has tapered off in the southwestern part of the state. Wow, did they get a lot of snow? 18 inches just outside of Evansville, Indiana.
There.
Now in Ohio, we are seeing heavier snow in Canton and Youngstown.
Might be a little bit choppy.
The blue there, that's showing you the intensity of the northeastern part of Ohio.
Okay.
Punching up now in southeastern Ohio.
Update.
Across much of Pennsylvania.
Still damn much snow.
Generally lighter snow, though we are getting some reports of moderate snow.
It's all snow.
And in fact, it is heavy snow in Altoona. Notice also the rain snow line that is moving
like 3 hours or 5 hours away, Altoona.
So it's going to be once again rain. That's where we are right now in Baltimore, D.C. and getting into Philadelphia, but it will come with a lot of wind. Now here's a look at
That's wind you're hearing.
going forward. Another 6 to 12
if you hear a loud blow, that's wind. It isn't any. Power might go out. I hope not. I'll be damned if the power goes out. So the Weather Channel was telling the truth. Okay. Winter storm warning. It's not effect. It's the wind if you hear that. Yeah, oh.
Channel app for Windows 8. Available exclusively on the Windows Store.
Coast Guard, Florida. Premiering Wednesday, January 23rd at 9 Eastern, only on the Weather Channel.
A winter storm warning is in effect for our area. Currently in our area, 25 degrees with snow. Here's our local radar.
Look at that. Getting all covered with this crap. It's fun. You see all that? It's all snow. Not even one spot of green.
Today, heavy snow. High 29. 6 to 10 inches of snow expected. For tonight,
holy hell.
Sleet and ice changing to all snow. Low 26. On Thursday, morning snow showers. High 30. Chance of snow 60%. Our week ahead.
See, now you believe me. Now you'll believe Route 49.
Past the hour here on Day Planner, and as we mentioned, there's still much more of the afternoon to go, especially for those of you in eastern North and South Carolina.
Tornadoes.
Thanks for watching PCNC. I'm meteorologist Michael Point. Winter storm warnings continue for our area. All areas, even Fayette County, now included in this winter storm warning that runs through early
somewhere around there.
Morning over toward Greene, down toward Monongalia County. Winter weather advisory. More
towards
rain, sleet,
there.
with occasional snow expected down in
Allegheny
areas.
County.
Travel conditions just about anywhere here in our area. Now,
see?
For the reasons that we're seeing some snow, some sleet, some freezing rain, and just some plain old rain. Severe weather risk up into the high category for the afternoon hours as well as the evening. That winter storm warning will continue. Again, a small part of Greene County under that winter weather advisory. We'll see snow, and that'll be moderate to maybe heavy from time to time with a wintry mix also possible. So don't be surprised if you see a little or feel a little sleet, little rain, maybe a freezing rain area south of us kind of move in. Again, if you are traveling this afternoon,
it never goes up that high.
Just use some caution. You'll notice our storm tracker.
Oh, it's going to be one hell of a storm.
A lot of purple. That is the snow mixing with some sleet. Again, even some freezing rain can't be ruled out. And as we go throughout the evening hours, I want to stop it for you.
This is the Pittsburgh Cable News Channel.
Actually, will give us
sister station of WPXI TV 11 Pittsburgh. Airs newscast that aired on PXI and local Channel 11 programming. PCNC Center's Pittsburgh Cable News Channel.
Northwest winds here across the region. So by the afternoon on Thursday, it'll be widespread snow showers and breezy conditions across the region. Snowfall forecast as of right now, this is what it looks like, but of course we'll be updating this throughout the late afternoon hours and evening hours tonight. This is through Thursday, 3 to 5 inches. Generally expected here across the Pittsburgh area. The farther south or west you go, that's where we have that freezing rain, sleet, mixing with snow at times, so not as high, 1 to 3. 5 to 7 over toward the Islands, up toward the 422.
That's where my friend
corridor, also my friend we're talking at least 7 to 11 inches by Thursday morning. Again, that's how it looks.
This is where I am.
Forecast then for the afternoon, cloudy skies, periods of snow, but it will be mixing with sleet and rain. 33 degrees the high. Periods of snow tonight. Those winds start to kick up. We'll throw in some blowing snow, 27, and then tomorrow, mostly cloudy. Scattered snow showers, breezy, and 34 degrees. Here's the 5-day forecast with your weekend. Always in view. Dry weather right now on Friday, 33 degrees. Our next chance of some light snow moves in on Saturday, 36. Dry right now on Sunday, 32 degrees. And pretty chilly overnight lows. We're looking at low temperatures in the low to middle 20s. That is the very latest from Severe Weather Center 11.
Severe Weather Center 11.
All you want to do is wrap up a sandwich.
I don't want to. Not now. Looking for the weather, god damn it. Hate fake TV. Oh my god, it's a tornado out there. Boy, I've got to get this in before 10 minutes. That's how much time YouTube takes.
Because it's going to make some impacts as we head towards next weekend. Well, it's clearance time. Yeah,
Okay, see, 2 p.m. few snow showers, 3 p.m. cloudy, 4 p.m. snow, 5 p.m. snow, 6 p.m. snow, 6:15 heavy snow, 6:30 snow, 6:45 flurries, 7 p.m. snow. So I'll give this a break at 3. But for the remainder of the day after 3, it'll be snow, regardless.